Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Stt-Mani. Today we are discussing about how to interface a rain sensor with Stt-Mani Arduino Uno. Connect the LCD to the Stt-Mani Arduino Uno board. Connect the USB cable to Stt-Mani Arduino Uno board. Connect the sensor pins A0 ground VCC to the Stt-Mani Arduino Uno board. Now to open code, go to this PC as I already did it and saved to my device. I am opening it. Please wait a moment until the code opens. Now go to tools and check whether the Arduino Uno board is connected or not. And also check whether the port is connected or not. Now let us compile the code. As there is no errors in the code, we got done compiling. Now let us upload the code to the board. As we got done uploading. Now connect the power supply. Observe the output in LCD. When the raindrop is detected, the corresponding values will be shown in LCD and it will give a buzzer sound. Else buzzer is off. This is our final output. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.